How to buy a home in California. Step-by-step guide. Buying a home in California, especially here in the Bay Area, can feel overwhelming. Prices are high, the market moves fast, and the process can seem confusing if you've never done it before. But once you understand each step clearly, buying a home becomes much easier and far less stressful. In this video, I'll explain the entire home buying process in California, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect, from getting pre-approved, to writing offers, inspections, escrow, closing costs, and getting your keys. Let's begin. Understanding the market. The first step to buying a home in California is understanding the local market. The Bay Area works differently than most parts of the country. Prices vary dramatically depending on the city, the neighborhood, and even the school district. Cities like San Francisco and Palo Alto have limited inventory and extremely high demand. San Jose and the South Bay are tech-driven markets. Suburban areas like Fremont, Dublin, Pleasanton, and the Tri-Valley are very popular for families. And more affordable cities like Antioch, Vallejo, Richmond, and San Pablo offer better prices with more space. Homes in many Bay Area cities can sell quickly, sometimes within a few days, and often with multiple offers. Understanding these trends helps you set realistic expectations before you start your search. Check your finances. Next, you need to evaluate your financial situation so you know what you can comfortably afford. This includes your expected monthly payment, mortgage, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and WA fees if applicable. You also need to consider your cash needed up front. This usually includes your down payment, closing costs, inspection fees, and your earnest money deposit. In California, closing costs typically range from 2 to 3% of the purchase price. Once you understand your financial picture, you can move confidently to the next step. Get pre-approved. Getting pre-approved is one of the most important steps in the California home buying process. A pre-approval shows you how much you can borrow, what your estimated payment will be, and what price range you should be searching in. It also shows sellers that you are a serious buyer. In the Bay Area, an offer without a pre-approval usually isn't accepted. It's a good idea to speak with 2 or 3 lenders to compare interest rates and loan programs. You may qualify for first-time buyer programs, low down payment options, or other special financing depending on your situation. Choose the right agent. In a competitive market like the Bay Area, having an experienced real estate agent is essential. Your agent helps you understand the market, find suitable homes, analyze comparable sales, review disclosures, and write competitive offers. They also protect your interests, handle negotiations, manage timelines, and guide you through inspections, appraisal, escrow, and closing. Buying a home involves legal paperwork and strict timelines. An experienced agent ensures everything is done correctly. Start your home search. Once you're pre-approved and working with an agent, you can begin viewing homes. Most Bay Area buyers look at single-family homes, townhomes, condos, and sometimes new construction. When touring homes, pay attention to the neighborhood, school ratings, commute routes, local amenities, property condition, and the overall appreciation potential of the area. Your agent will help you schedule showings, compare properties, and identify the homes that best fit your needs and budget. Reviewing disclosure. In California, sellers must provide a full disclosure package that reveals important information about the property. This typically includes home inspection reports, roof and pest inspections, natural hazard reports, seller questionnaires, property history, permits, and WA documents if applicable. Reviewing disclosures helps you understand the true condition of the home before writing an offer. This step protects you from unexpected surprises later. Making a competitive offer. Writing an offer in the Bay Area requires strategy. Your offer includes your purchase price, down payment, loan type, inspection timelines, closing date, and earnest money deposit. In competitive situations, some buyers choose to shorten their contingency periods, offer above asking price, increase their deposit, or give the seller flexibility on the closing date. Your agent will guide you through each of these options and help you submit a strong offer while protecting your interests. Offer accepted. What happens next? Once your offer is accepted, you officially enter escrow. Escrow is a neutral third party that manages documents, timelines, and funds to ensure the transaction is handled safely and correctly. You'll receive an escrow timeline that outlines when each step needs to be completed. Inspections and appraisal. During escrow, you'll complete your inspections and the lender will order an appraisal. The home inspection checks the property's condition, including the roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical systems, and more. The appraisal confirms the value of the home for the lender. If any issues come up during inspection, your agent may negotiate repairs or credits on your behalf. This is your opportunity to fully understand the condition of the home before closing. Final loan approval. Next, your lender completes final verification of your income, employment, assets, credit, and appraisal results. Once everything is approved, you'll receive what's called a clear to close. This means your loan is fully approved and ready for the closing appointment. Signing and closing. You will sign your final documents either in person, electronically, or with a mobile notary. Once the title company records the sale with the county, the home is officially yours. You receive the keys, and you're now a homeowner in California. Outro. Buying a home in California can feel complicated, but with the right knowledge and the right team behind you, the process becomes smooth and predictable. If you need help buying or selling a home in the Bay Area, feel free to contact me. I'm a licensed real estate professional here in California, and my contact details are in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.